Hey everybody, so today I have a very interesting one. Now, this I picked up a short while ago as part of a Snap on brand, like a commemorative clock to showcase dump trucks sitting on top of six, what do they call it? Like those rolling red tool chests. Anyhow, so when I saw it online, of course, I was really only interested in the dump truck. The clock, I really don't need the toolbox and all that diorama said nah. So it came in the mail, and right away I got to breaking the thing down. The base, let go. Of course, it didn't come with the clock, so I let that go. But anyways, long story short, I was able to get the truck off. So that's what this review is going to be about. So it is very loosely based off a Peterbilt 335 dump truck. Well, I guess you could probably go for a 387 day cab because it's an awfully wide cab for a 335. And to add that the cab sits incredibly forward, right over the tires, making it almost a cab over if it sat any farther forward. Yeah, even on the driver's side, you got the little door peeper windows. How about that? Passenger and driver. So, of course, it was listed with the ladder being busted off, and I guess issues with the single exhaust pipe on the other side right there. But it is a heavy and sturdy truck, almost like one of those old Buddies, Tonkas, Nylants. Very sturdy. It's got a single stage lift. Bed is actually steel, which is pretty cool. Nice. I guess they wanted to follow in that snap-on form. Of course, since this was primarily for the clock, nothing is intended to open. The hood doesn't open, the wheels roll, doors don't open. So it's primarily a display model that you can actually roll around. So it's still got the Phillips screws right there. The tires are a very hard rubber, thankfully not a plastic, so not bad at all. But yeah, it is an incredibly wide cab for a 335. So I thought, well, being it that the 35, the 386, the 387 pretty much share the same hood, grill, fender, headlight design, call it what you will. Of course, for this, I'll just call it a 335, but you can call it a 387, which would probably be more fitting to it. Okay, so overall, very very interesting truck. I think it was like $24. It was didn't cost that much, but it's not a diecast that you will ever find in a general Google search. Nope. And that's what attracted me to it. Very neat. Of course, all the mirrors are like a solid cast to the body, so grill, everything's just painted. It's alright. That's how we like it. Sometimes the less moving parts, the better. It's got a pretty good detailed interior. I mean, it's red on black, so you're probably not going to see a heck of a lot in there, but just kind of a very funny, extremely forward cab. Ultra short hood. I mean, that's even shorter than a short hood. and a double wide cab. It's like a very smushed 335. But it gives it a very cool look. You don't see that type of window in a lot of trucks anymore much. Where it's a really small rear window at the back almost to the top. Huh. Of course, fuel tanks. Yeah, but for being a 150th, it is very sturdy, it's heavy, but not the kind of heavy where your hand might slip. There's plenty of on the body areas to hold on when you pick it up. So, and yes, it is red. Of course, yeah, the fenders are a little beat up, but oh well, it's supposed to be a dump truck, so we're gonna leave it looking like a dump truck. That's how it goes around here. It's very neat. Very neat indeed. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quirky little snap-on diecast 150th Peterbilt 335 or 386, 387, however you want to call it. Hope you guys enjoyed. You guys take care.